Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting clear prerequisites out of the way. This speeds pairing. Put AirPods Pro in the case, open the lid, and keep them near the Mac. On the Mac, confirm Bluetooth and handoff are enabled so the device can see new accessories. On the iPhone, unlock it and turn on Bluetooth. Once done, press and hold the case button until the LED blinks white. This forces discoverable mode and sets up the next steps. You now connect on the Mac first so the AirPods register to your Apple ID. From the Mac menu bar Bluetooth icon, select your AirPods Pro and click Connect. You should hear a chime. Make sure the Mac shows them as connected, then move to the iPhone. With the case open next to the iPhone, accept the on-screen pairing prompt. This links them to your Apple ID. Because iCloud syncs audio accessories, this sequence makes both devices recognize the AirPods reliably. You finish by confirming audio routing. Open Control Center and select AirPods as the output. If audio still prefers the Mac or iPhone, toggle Bluetooth off then on. Make sure handoff stays enabled. If pairing fails, reset the AirPods by holding the case button about 15 seconds until amber then white, then repeat the steps. As a last resort, sign out and back into your Apple ID on both devices to refresh iCloud device syncing and force the connection to propagate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.